Up you guys, my name is Miguel, fellow Xray Tech here, giving you your daily dose of radiation. In today's video, we are covering how hard is it to make a disc export images to other hospitals or other facilities. So to give you context, I am a night shift Xray Tech, been doing it for about 4 years, and I would say both of these super easy. Obviously, if you do not know, reach out to anyone who's been working there in your department. It is not that hard. All of these are found in your pack system. Most of the time you do a little right click on the order, it'll show up export to images. Maybe you may have to dig around and it'll say export to media. Depending if it's just x-rays, usually a simple CD will do it, but if you throw in some CAT scan, MRIs, or other stuff that have bigger level of files, you may need a DVD player or other kind of different discs that has like gigabytes worth of storage, because all those take space. Now obviously if it's just an x-ray or a few x-rays, you could literally make a disc within like 1 minute. Now if you throw in some CAT scans, MRIs, and all this stuff, it could push to a few minutes. You could see a 5 minutes, and if people have a lot of stuff, you can maybe see 1 to 2 discs, 10 minutes, like a lot of gigabytes worth of images being burned. Now as far as exporting the images to other places, maybe the patient gets transferred to a burn center or to a children's hospital, and if they're not within your same network of your hospital, then you'll have to push it out. If they're within the same name, whatever, of the hospital, then the same x-ray techs can pull stuff locally or whatever. But if they're outside of the hospital, then you will have to manually go in, and then you'll have a little list that you'll just kind of scroll, and it'll say the name of the hospital. You click it, selects the x-rays that you want to send off, and boom, it is on their way. And then usually they can see it and they can pull a report and stuff like that. Sometimes you'll get calls overnight, especially overnight, of maybe doctors or someone who maybe the disc wasn't burned correctly, or you have problems, and then you'll have to usually manually push the stuff like that. Same thing with uploading images from a disc. That one's a little bit more tedious, because you have to like make an order, link it up, get the report up there. Like it's just a little bit more challenging. That one takes a little bit more skills to do. I would say if you don't know, about 5 to 10 minutes to get that done, because if they have a lot of orders, you have to manually put in every single order and generate everything, and it can take tedious amounts of work. It's not just upload it from the disk to there and it just automatically spawns. It's not that easy. It should be that easy, but it's not that easy. So yeah, it's been your boy Miguel. See ya on the next one.